Hey guys, it's Ava, and today I am here with
Cody.
And today we are going to be trying the new Takis. This is going to be so fun. So, I'm just going to open this bag right now. Well, we're probably doing a challenge or something. So we both have to eat 5 Takis, and the person that eats 5 Takis gets a point, I guess.
And then if they don't drink...
Yeah, and they can't drink water. Okay.
I have a little bit of water because we just did a video with Bean Boozled.
It was so nasty.
Right.
Ready? I got one. This looks so good. Set.
I'm not ready. I don't want that big one.
Ready?
No.
Set. Go.
Go.
This is pretty spicy. Did it? I win a point. I got a point. You drank water.
I didn't drink water.
Yes, you did. Why is this so fat? I'm saving this for later.
It's spicy.
Oh, are you serious? There's something wrong with him. These taste so good.
Didn't I tell you I don't like spicy stuff?
Oh, yeah. Well, too bad for you.
I only like hot Cheetos.
So, yeah, guys, I recommend that you guys go to the store and buy these because these are so good.
Yeah, you should actually get them. They're not that bad.
Called Explosion. They have cheese and chili pepper. So, yeah, these are really good.
But they're not that bad, though.
Are you getting another one?
Yeah.
And we bought the big bag at Walmart for $2.48. How many minutes has it been? Oh. So this is my 3rd one, right?
Yeah.
Time to go into my 4th. I'm on my 4th one. He's only on his 2nd. There's a lot of Takis left in this bag.
More like there was a lot when we got them. Here's my bowl from the last video.
Yeah, that's from the Bean Boozled video. This stinks so much. You know.
I tossed the Taki in there.
Ew.
Can we go dump these out?
Yeah, so.
Let's do it in the snow, though.
Bye, guys. I hope you liked this video. Hope you buy these amazing Takis.
Right, they don't taste that bad.
And, yeah, we need to go pour out
We're gonna
this
go.
nasty old Bean Boozled water. So, yeah. Bye. Nasty Bean Boozled.
Okay, let's go.